In this video, I'm going to show you some simple steps to help fix the air conditioning system in your Toyota Sienna. If your AC isn't cooling like it used to, these tips might get it blowing cold again. First, check the AC settings and make sure the system is turned on properly and the fan speed is set high enough. Next, inspect the cabin air filter behind the glove box. A clogged filter can reduce airflow and cooling efficiency, so replace it if it looks dirty. Check the refrigerant level. Low refrigerant means your AC won't cool well. You can use a DIY recharge kit, but if the system leaks, it's best to have a professional check it. Also, look for any visible damage or loose connections in the AC compressor and belts under the hood. If the AC still isn't working right, the problem could be with the compressor clutch, condenser, or electrical components, which may require professional repair. If this video helped you fix your Sienna's AC, please like and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching.